Hi bazala bami zitho, welcome to Umkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umkosi wethu namhlanje bazala bami zitho, it's about Dr. Dlamini, umzimba okhala imali. Guys, Dr. Dlamini, he's a traditional healer. I think he's also a Gobela. If you don't know him, you know Dr. Lulu, traditional healer, ehamba empahleni zakhe kunemali uzibiza ngomzimba okhala imali. I don't know whether igama ziphelona or igama lakhe lasedlozini, but he is also well known as umzimba okhala imali. Last year 2024 uDr Dlamini wavela on umnakethu acela ukuthatha isithembu to unkosikazi wakhe wokuqala, of which unkosikazi wakhe azange asijabulele leso sithembu. And a lot of people, guys, they were against lo, but they are not against him taking this thing. They were against umfazi lo usisi lo azomcelela, because usisi lo back then she was doing grade 12, but she was 21 years old. Guys, I did the video with me. I don't see a problem about the age yomntwana, but ngine problem about izinto azishilo, because the reason bambuza ukuthi why ethatha umntana omncane, of which I feel as if umntana ona 21 akekho mncane. Yes mncane ngoba udoctor lo mdala, like i-age gap yabo inkulu, but yena she's old enough to make her own decisions, guys. Then she said umuntu umntana omncane ufana ne-cellphone entsha. Whatever you install on that phone into efunwa wuwe. So that means whatever he'll install engqondweni ngaloyo mntwana loyo into efunwa wuwe. In other words, mina just felt as if uthi ngizomgruma ayibe yile nto le ngifuna ukuthi abe yiyo. Bekasho nje kanjalo, just that bekayisho ngendlela ehloniphekile. And a lot of people, they were saying why athatha umntana esikolo, because usisi lo the last year bekayenza ugrade 12. I think she delayed esikolweni, or mhlambe khona into eyenzakala, but obviously abantu abana-21 most of the time bacedile isikole, but not everyone, guys. Izimo azifani, abanye abantu bayafela, abanye abantu bacala isikole babadala. So mina I didn't see anything wrong ukuthi athandane nomuntu ona-21, but the other thing mina benginenkinga nayo ukuthi ingane le isafunda isikole. So obvious makazoshada uzophazamiseka, especially ushada nomuntu omdala, umuntu ofuna ingane, usesithembini. So umshado wakhe, isystem yomshado wakhe ihlukile kunaye abanye abantu, so vele beyizomphazamisa ngoba umshado wodwa uyaphazamisana. But-ke uDr Dlamini ulenzile iqiniso kibo girl, ngoba yesterday bebashada banosisi. I don't, it was a traditional wedding, they were looking beautiful. And even on ispeech sakhe ushilo ukuthi abantu kudala bakhuluma, even now they will still be talking. But-ke ngiyamthanda usisi, ngiyamhlonipha usisi, and naye uyangithanda. So umshadile sokumakoti wakhe ngokuphelele, guys. So uma usisi lona yeseka Mrs Dlamini. And you know guys, sometimes because abanye abantu bebathi the first wife muhle kakhulu futhi, so they were saying the younger wife akekho muhle. But guys, if now ungabukela ithombe zakho usafunda isikolo, you will see, especially if awuyanga ekhayeni le right, you'll see ukuthi sometimes it's not a matter yokuthi awukho muhle, it's just that you are not using ama-products a-right ukuthi ube muhle. You are not using, mhlambe nawe nje you are not financially okay ukuthi ungaba muhle. Among ungabona ama-videos womshado wabo, you'll see this lady is beautiful. The lady is beautiful, and usese humble as she was on umnakethu. So I don't know whether what happened between umamkhulu nomzimba okhala imali, because umamkhulu bayikasho ukuthi if umzimba okhala imali yena akaboni ukuthi usazohlala. I don't know ukuthi uchubekile ahlala. But what I've noticed about amakhosikazi first wives, bonke bathi mawufaka omunye umuntu ngizohamba, then masakangene loyo muntu loyo adecide umuntu ungahamba. I think yindlela yabo ukuthusela ama-husbands wabo ukuthi bangathathi amanye amakhosikazi. But I just wanted to say congratulations to the new Mrs Dlamini and umzimba okhala imali. And nje sibonga nje nakubaba Dlamini ukuthi at least ulenzile iqiniso ku-girl, and uyenzele nefamily yakibo girl iqiniso, because mina ngifuna ugaba amabili, ngicabanga ukuthi izophelela emoyeni, because the lady is young, humble. Bombona ukuthi okunye ngathi uyasaba ukukhuluma, I understand. But-ke uyabonakala manje futhi kula mavideo amaye ukuthi ukhululekile. That is all for now. Bazala bami zitho, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.